I should go like driving like this. And then just like pull up at a red light and just be like. Psych, you really thought I was dead. Nope. It's Makeup Mami here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful look for you. As you can see, it's kind of a culmination of a lot of different things, so you might have to use your imagination for this one, but it's supposed to be your eyes being gouged out, you know? Or I guess you could be the Grudge, as my cameraman said, if that's your prerogative, whatever. But this took me like literally 10 minutes to do. If you are fast with it, you could do it in 5. I only used 5 products. That's it. Well, 7 including the brushes, but you'll probably have these brushes anyway. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. If you're interested in how I did this or you're interested in recreating it yourself, then just keep on watching. But before you do that, don't forget to follow all my social medias and comment down below what you feel about this look at the end. And so let's go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and did my face because you can do it however you want to do it. Like, this look is going to be super easy. Like, literally will take you 5 minutes to do. So with that being said, I'm going to take just any eyeliner pencil. This one happens to be by Nye. And I'm going to just draw a circle around my eye like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. And you're going to do the same with the other. As you can see, my circles are not perfect at all. We're going to take I'm going to take the Take Me to Brazil palette, but you will literally only use like one color. So I'm just going to take the red and a blending brush. I'm just going to start blending this around the edges of the circle. So you're going to go all the way around, okay? So I guess this look is kind of like for when like you didn't plan to go out, but then your friends were like, let's go out. And you didn't have any plans to go out, but they did, and they have like Halloween costumes, but you don't, and you just like want to do something really quick. I guess this is what this is good for. I'm gonna take just like a regular flat brush. This one it looks red, but it's dirty. It's by BH Cosmetics, but oh, I was gonna say it's so old you can't even see it. But this is the BH Cosmetics 130 brush. I don't think that you can get this by itself. I think you have to buy the set, but I like the set. Anyway, we're gonna take a brush. Flat brush, and I'm going to dip into my Wet n Wild paint pot, the black one, and I'm really digging in there, like just dig, you know, and you're just going to start putting that inside of the circle that you drew. And if your friends want to talk crap about the look, then be like, you didn't give me any time to prepare for anything. So it's really their fault. I mean, if they really wanted you to go out somewhere, and they should have bought you a Halloween costume then. No, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take just like the edge of the brush, and I'm going to make these like edges kind of imperfect. And just kind of like pull outwards a little bit. You can pull outwards at like different like heights, you know what I mean? Like lengths. Boo! Did I get you? You better be prepared. There's just many things you can be at this point. I guess you could be like Deadpool, Target Dog, Spider-Man, but it's kind of giving me like American Horror Story vibes. Like from, if you guys watched the last episode, spoiler alert, the episode where Constance is talking about Michael to, what is her name? Madison and that other guy who I can't remember. But when her other daughter pops up, the little girl that has no eyes, I guess this could be that, like, you know. Right now I'm in a super well lit room, so if you're not seeing it, you have to use your imagination. Maybe squint a little, you know, just pretend. Okay, so once you have this, we are going to go back in to our Take Me to Brazil palette. And I'm going to go into the red again. And I'm just kind of going to go around the sides very gently because the black, like I said, is It's gonna move. Alright, so after this we're going to go, I'm going to use my Take Me to Brazil palette, but you can use any other black that you want to use. And, you know what, I'm just going to use the same blending brush because, whatever, you know? If your friends don't get this look and they have to keep asking you what you are, just be like, you know, it's my eyes gouged out. And if they're like, oh, well, it doesn't really look like that, be like, oh, well, we're all broke, so, you know, this is all that I could afford. Oh, you know what I think makes you bleed out of your eyes? I think it's Ebola.
You're just gonna go as Ebola?
No, that's rude.
I had Ebola. I'm sorry, you guys. I still wanted to get my trick-or-treat on.
Ah, you made me laugh. You got some in my eye. Alright, people. So, we're looking kind of interesting. I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Multistick, and this is just the black one. I'm using mostly Wet n Wild products, like, just because they're my favorite Halloween products. They're Fantasy Makers line. I think they're good. They're cheap. They're easy to work with. So, I'm plugging Wet n Wild, so Wet n Wild sponsor me. But anyway, we're gonna go in with the Multistick. And we're gonna hide that part of your eye. Look at the difference. Any other American Horror Story fans, let me know what you think. Well, I'm a real Southern girl now. Let me know what you think about this season down below in the comments, because I just recently hopped onto the American Horror Story bandwagon. Like, my cameraman / best friend / PR / manager / personal assistant has been on that bandwagon since day one. But I was always just kind of like, it's not that good. And don't get me wrong, like, there's definitely seasons that were, it's like, what were you doing, you know? I think I like this season. I haven't decided yet. Although I feel like we're over halfway. I haven't decided if I like it yet or not. I'm on the fence. Let me know what you think about it down below in the comments. Oh, also, who is the guy in the like latex suit? I keep asking and I keep looking around for answers and nobody will answer me this. If it's not Tate and it's not whatever, who is it? The devil? I just want some answers. You know, that's all I want. That's all I'm asking for. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and finish up this look by doing some red lips because, you know, red lips are in, I guess. Oh, by the way, this is Serafina by Anastasia Beverly Hills. If you don't have any fake blood, it's fine. Then this is the end of the look. Again, you know, it's the same thing. But if you do have fake blood, we're going to put this baby on here. Somebody tore our eyes out. Michael Myers tore our eyes out. Have you guys seen that Halloween movie? I was skeptical about it because I'm not, like, the biggest Halloween fan in the world, but it's actually pretty good. I recommend it. Again, you know, I feel like to be a Michael Myers fan, you have to be, like, completely throw out, like, physics and stuff like that. And any common sense, because it's like, how does this dude catch up, you know?
Sarah Paulson cry. This literally sounds like Sarah Paulson when she cries.
Oh my god, it does! I could be Sarah Paulson!
Sarah Paulson! We love you!
We do. We love you on this channel, girl. So, this is the finished product right here. I hope you guys like it. I really like the blood. I think that's my favorite part. This is just a really quick look, like I said, for when your friends are like hitting you up late AF and they're like, hey, let's go out. And you're like, I'm already in for the night. And they're like, well, you're coming out with us. Well, this is what you would do, or this is what I would do, because it took me like 5 products with the blood. So, it's always going to have blood handy just during Halloween time, you know, for instances like this. But I really like it. Let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comments. Don't forget to like this video. And if you decide to recreate this look, don't forget to tag me in all of your recreations. All of my social medias will be linked down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are notified the next time that we post. I know we've been really slacking, but we're going to be better about that, okay? So, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!